Planting trees is not restoration. Survival is restoration. Most large-scale projects fail after planting because water and soil were treated as secondary variables. They are not secondary, they are decisive. A seedling dies not from lack of intention, but from lack of system support. Water availability determines survival during the first 3 years. This window decides whether carbon capture compounds or resets to zero. Rainfall alone is unreliable. Restoration systems must assume irregular precipitation and plan for it. This requires micro-catchments, contouring, and soil shaping that slow runoff and trap moisture. Soil is not dirt, it is a living structure. Healthy soil contains microorganisms, fungi, and organic matter that regulate nutrient flow and water retention. Without soil regeneration, planting becomes cosmetic. This is why monoculture plantations fail. They ignore biological networks. Successful restoration follows a layered approach. Ground cover to reduce evaporation, shrubs to stabilize soil, trees to create canopy, mycorrhizal networks to connect roots. When these layers form, water efficiency increases dramatically. Survival rates rise from under 30% to over 80%. This changes everything. At scale, survival rate is more important than planting speed. Doubling survival halves long-term cost. Planetary Cycle Theory predicts this outcome. Stable systems emerge when energy, structure, and feedback align. Water regulates energy flow, soil regulates structure. Biology provides feedback. When all three are present, restoration becomes permanent. Earth restoration is not an event. It is a system that must sustain itself without constant intervention. The objective is not endless planting. The objective is reaching the point where planting is no longer required. Once soil regenerates and water cycles stabilize, ecosystems resume growth autonomously. At that moment, restoration is complete. Not because humans succeeded, but because nature resumed control. This concludes the foundational implementation phase of Earth restoration. From here forward, expansion is a matter of scale, not theory.